Earlier, when I was showing you our agents, I was showing you how it's easy to set them up, it's easy to configure them along with the jobs that they're doing. And we have a really nice interface where you're able to make agents in just a few clicks. The issue is if you want to create an agent and you want to assign them, 5, 10 different jobs, you may not know exactly the best way to do those jobs. And you may want some help because, even if it only takes a few minutes, you may want to do it a little faster. And so that's why we have a Bolt agent creator agent. So this is an agent that actually builds Bolt agents for you. So let's say we wanted to recruit more students for our undergrad engineering program. We can ask our Bolt agent to actually build that agent. So our agent here is going to create an outline of the Bolt agent that it wants to create that will be our undergraduate recruiter. So over here, you can see that agent actually set up, and you can see that it's popped into our list now. And one of the things that I love about our staff agents is they're really helpful. They keep asking you, how can I help even further? So it asked me, would you like to create a job to assign Taylor to? So I'm going to give it a job, and all I need to do is just describe what I am trying to accomplish. Let's say my job is to reach out to folks who are trying to major in engineering and encourage them to apply. I can do that myself through Element, but I can just as easily ask an agent to help. And so our agent here is going to make the job, and voila, here's the job that it created. It's already set up with instructions for the agent, and it's set up with predefined actions that are going to be based on best practices for how to conduct that specific type of work on campus.